This is pretty much the home screen of the application. I would say a rather simple widget application which you can use. Nothing much, very simple. If you're into these styles of widget, then this application is for you. So here you have a lot of widgets which you can use. You can select whichever one you want to use. These are the new ones. Some of them are for calendars, some of them are for clocks, some of them are IDs type of stuff. Some of them are for your controller. Up at the top of your bar, or whatever case is, some of them are for compass. As you can see, they do tell you what each of these for, so you can know what you're doing. So any one of these that you want to use, you can just tap on, let's say, for example, the control option, and here be able to unlock it. But keep in mind, you're going to need a subscription. You have a subscription, but some of them you may need to get a subscription to access these widgets. So to keep that in mind, you have the control option here, you have the Bluetooth widget there as well. You have the sound mode widget that a lot of them can scroll across and see other widgets which can use for each of these. As well, if I do go in the compass option here, you can scroll across and see other compass widgets. But the ones without the pro option here, you'll be able to use those for free. So as you can see here, this one here is completely free. I'll be able to use it. So all I have to do is just tap on the add widget and we'll pretty much add a format compass. So that's pretty much it for the application. As it relates to the subscription, you can tap on the lock icon at the top there and you'll be able to purchase the premium subscription, which gives you access to those pro widget. I don't know why it says pro and this is premium, but anyways, same thing, same subscription. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.